Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we have here at Casablanca Lady Delta from January 30th of 1992. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, but that's what the label says, AB30494. Got this fan from Fanimation. This is my first ever Casablanca ceiling fan. My first Casablanca Lady Delta ceiling fan. This fan did come with a it actually came with a hang true ball and socket mount. But at Fanimation I got another fan that came with this low ceiling adaptable system. So I'll put that on here. So now this fan is above my bed. As you see, I took down the quorum. This fan, well, I bought this fan, it came with these brass blade arms because the seller of this fan said the white ones that originally came with this fan were all bent up. So he just replaced them with these gold ones, but I really don't mind. Came 100% complete, except the tassel. The tassel was not Casablanca at all. Like I said, it came with the down rod with the ball socket hang true system, so that was complete with the fan too. Blades aren't in the best shape whatsoever. I know one of these blades have a pretty bad chip on the top of it. But without further ado, let's turn this fan on low. I've never seen a Lady Delta out in wild before. I've seen them on YouTube, of course, but like in person, installed in somewhere, I've never seen one. I've seen other Casablanca fans installed, but never a Lady Delta, and I've always loved them though. So this is just the first video of the Fanimation haul that I'll be doing. Definitely feel a breeze from it. Let me turn this design off. Yeah, you can definitely feel a breeze from it. It's small enough so I can put it over my bed, so that's exactly what I did. I'm add a light kit to it soon. Medium. Definitely silent. Definitely moving air, like I already feel it. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, this is definitely a silent fan. You can ever so slightly hear some bearing noise. I don't know if you'll hear it over the camera. I do have the other piece for the little ceiling adapters right there. But I'm not gonna put it on there because I have the wires right there. And now, let's put this baby to high. Wow. This thing is kicking ass. This is incredible. I can feel a little bit from back here. This is a very powerful fan. I don't know what motor is in this fan either. I didn't open up and look at it. This fan is powerful. I'm impressed by it. I've never seen a Lady Delta run before in person, so like I am highly impressed by this fan. Wow. Alright, let's turn it off. Watch spin down. Like always, I know my phone's gonna run out of storage and memory. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, and see you guys later.